I made a video with the DJI Osmo Action camera, and I show you my how-to work and my progression as we go along. And this is the GoPro Hero 8 Black, and everything's the same. You could tell me you could see the difference in the quality when you got a shop light that's about 90 lumens or 900 lumens. I can't remember. Pretty bright. LED, and I got all my work done to about 2 feet prior to the wall back there. I can go over with another layer. Right now I'm going to just leave it as is of the hydraulic cement. Oh, there's a nice spider web back there by the gas pipe or water pipe. 340, 340, not bad at all. Oh man, that's not too hard. I got the nails in, and I do what I can do. And the others just too difficult to get to, but I believe that should do. You could just forget about me getting it on with a straight edge. I have to 45 or 30 degree angle for the next set of nails. I'll wait for the rainfall tonight. Keep an eye on it.